Hi, this is Valakshmi here, and here's wishing all the viewers of We Talkies.
We Talkies entire team-க்கும் என்னுடைய ஹார்ட்டி விஷஸ் தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன்.
We Talkies all the best for that.
வாழ்த்துக்கள் We Talkiesக்கு.
இணையதளத்தில் வரும் We Talkies சினிமா சம்பந்தப்பட்ட செய்திகளை தாங்கி வருகிறதே அந்த We Talkiesக்கு என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Fans have very interesting requests.
Like what?
Are you in Chennai?
Yes, I'm in Chennai.
My heart
Chennai
stops
woman.
when you look at me.
Oh, really?
Okay, singing, dubbing, or acting, which is your pick?
Singing, dubbing, or acting? Singing. Dubbing is really boring, guys. Dubbing is a very boring part of an actor's job, but it's a very important part of an actor's job because dubbing le vande you can change a dialogue, you can change a script by changing dialogues in dubbing, and dubbing is half the performance. So it's just very annoying to dub because எப்படி சொல்றது செட்ல வந்து ஒரு சீனுக்கு ஒரு மூட் கிரியேட் பண்ணுவோம், அதுக்கப்புறம் டப்பிங் தியேட்டர்ல போய் அதே மூட ரெக்ரியேட் பண்ணணும். So you're working twice. But unfortunately nobody does live sound like sing sound in India.
Somebody say hi to me. Wow, sweet.
Yes, I think it's gonna happen now. Okay, so you wanna see? Okay, so can you see? We're pouring the batter in. So I have to say thank you to Sam because is this our second baking session, Sam?
Yes.
Yeah, baking alone is really boring. So when I have company, it's so much more fun. Usually Sam helps me. She cuts something or, she helps me out. Today she's holding the phone. So, ellaro Sam ko thank you. If you have, please, I'll post a picture of these cupcakes and then you guys maybe can, in the comment section, tell me about neenga ellarum enna pannirkeenga, what have you cooked, what have you baked. See? Well, this is my little kitchen, guys. Oh no, I'm doing it the wrong way. So now, I don't need them right now. The oven is hot. We shall be careful. It's not so hot right now, so we don't have to touch. Okay, goes in there. And the little baby cake goes in here. Okay, when we take that out, I'll need these. Okay, and we will set it for 25 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius, approximately. Whew. Okay guys, now we're going to clean up. Who doesn't like Nutella? Is there anybody who doesn't like Nutella?
No. Somebody asked a birthday wish. Should I?
Whose birthday is it?
Yummy.
Okay, well. About 12 to 15 minutes left. In 12 to 15 minutes, let's clean up and what song do you guys want now? I'm sure you guys want a song. Yaro vandu un siripanal kettundanga, but I don't know the words of that. So let me sing Malai Neram instead. Do you guys like Malai Neram? I love it. It's Malai Neram, so why not? Malai Neram, Malai Toorum Kalam, En Jannal Oram, Nilkireen. நீயும் நானும் ஒரு போர்வைக்குள்ளே சிறுமேகம் போலே மிதக்கிறேன். ஓடும் காலங்கள் வழி மாறும் பயணங்கள் தொடர்கிறதே. இதுதான் வாழ்க்கையா, ஒரு துணைதான் தேவையா, ஒரு துணைதான் தேவை. அது ஏனோ என்னையோ கேட்கிறதே. Found a choco chip. ஓஹோ காதல் எங்கே ஓய்ந்தது, கவிதை ஒன்று முடிந்தது, தேடும் போதே தொலைந்தது அன்பே. இது சோகமானால் ஒரு சுகம் நெஞ்சினுள்ளே பரவிடும், நம் பழகிய காலம் பரவசம் அன்பே. இதம் தருமே. Oh crazy மின்னல் அழகிய கண்ணில், அச்சங்கள் பறவை போல பறந்து போகும் விண்ணில், கண்ணாடி கண்ணில் உன்முகம்தானே, கண்ணீரை சீனி மிட்டாய் செய்து விட்டாய் நீயே. நீதானே காதல் செல்ல பிராணி, நீ போனால் வாழை எல்லை திராணி. சில் சுடரே சுடரே ஓமல் இதரே என் மனப்புதிரே மினியே மினியே. ஓ என் வழியே, look at that bird, என் வழி துணையே. Oh, so pretty. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Sorry, I just had to admire the view for a bit. Coffee is cold, but still okay. This is my tulsi cherry. This one is dying because it's so hot. Anyway, baking up a little tired item. Mixing. Come on, Sam, say hi too. I think you can join the. How do you do that? Yes.
Hello everyone.
What bird? Kaka da irko. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's a kaka. I'm very, very sure. Aren't you sure that it's a kaka? See?
It's a kaka.
Wait. Yeah, it's a kaka. Kaka, para. Remember that thing we used to sing as kids? Yeah.
Kaka.
Sari. Well, guys, I think it's time to check on the cupcakes again. Wow! Look, come to this. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ooh.
The crazy Nutella.
The crazy cupcake is like looking like a volcano. Look at him. Oh my god. Cupcakes are ready. Cupcakes are ready. Well, I've already sung lots of songs for you guys. So I'm just going to answer some questions if you are interested in asking me any questions. No, I have not watched Kabir sing. But I heard it's a super entertaining film. So yeah. Any other questions you guys have for me? On my mother tongue. Pretty much Tamil and English. Okay. My lover's name. I told you guys, coffee and chocolate. I have two lovers, coffee and chocolate. Cupcake. Anna. ஏதாவது டீசனான கேள்வி கேளுங்க. No more questions. I want to see you pair with Ajit sir. Great idea. Let's tell Ajit sir. Okay? When am I visiting Hyderabad? Once the lockdown is lifted, maybe, and the planes are taking off again. How to get glowing skin like me? Yeah. Sam, somebody wants to know. Guys, actually, I have very difficult skin. I have great hair. It's very low maintenance hair. I don't do anything. I just wash it and that's it. This is my hair. But my skin, I always get a lot of breakouts. Now it's glowing because I have not been shooting for 2 months.
Stay home.
So if I
Eat and sleep.
stay home, eat and sleep, you will get glowing skin like me. Oh my god. Your native is Arakonam. That's correct. It is Arakonam. When is my marriage? I don't know. Nobody's asked me to marry. Nobody's asked me to marry them at the moment. கல்யாணம் பண்ணதுக்கு ஒரு ஆளும் தேவையில்ல. So let's wait and see. Oh hi, Mahendra City Balloon Festival. Okay, I remember that. Good memories. Next project. Aranmane 3 and Master is releasing. Then the trailer of Car came out. That's another film that I've been doing lately. And a couple of other small films. Do I do straightening? Purila. Oh, for my hair? No, I don't do straightening. Sorry. I want you to sing a beautiful song. I sang so many beautiful songs. Where were you? Really? Right, Sam? I sang many beautiful songs. Any pets at home? I am the pet at home. I'm the only pet at home. No other pets. Korakotta song. Hey! The oven is done. The oven is done. Okay. So while I'm taking the cupcakes out, somebody has asked me for Google. I'm willing to sing Google. Sam, can you do the honors? Sure. Let's close it because we don't want any bees in our house. Okay. First things first. Cake is ready or not? We test it with a toothpick. Okay, let's sing Google and test the cake. Google pani paathen ulagathilla ivan pola oru smell that smell. Oh, ivan pola oru kirkanu porandadilla yahoo yahathilum ennoruthan kidakkavilla naan dediketa shopping keta meet my boyfriend. Well, they're done technically, but I'm just gonna let this one rest in the oven a bit. Okay, guys. Those are the lovely cupcakes that we have made today. Oh no. Yeah. Thank you all for being a part of the baking experience. Look at this one. Wow. Oh. So while we cool the cupcakes and eat them, ninga ellarum or jollyana Sunday evening. Have a great evening, guys. Thank you for joining me on my little cupcake expedition. Bye.